MySQL, as you know, SQL is structured query language. You just open SQL, you will get MySQL and greater than symbol. That is your prompt. Look at the things here. I just typed show tables, and you need to end it with a semicolon. Those who are having a knowledge of SQL, for them it will be very easy. But those don't have any knowledge of SQL, directly learning MySQL, you just start observing the things. Show tables semicolon, no database selected. So what does it mean? You need to select database first. There are few differences between SQL and MySQL, which we'll be discussing later. First of all, check out show databases. Show space databases semicolon. What are the databases available here? 1, 2, employee, and MySQL, something are there. There are some 6 rows. So use employee. Look at the thing clearly here. Use employee. Database changed. Now select star from EMP and semicolon. Select statement is to select the data from any particular table. A table is different and a database is different. The terms data, information, table, databases are different. Select star from EMP. You get the data from EMP table, employee table. Okay, how many rows are there? 13 rows are there. Look at the data clearly. We'll try to analyze the table clearly. So what are the fields we have? EMPNO, employee number, ename, employee name, job, MGR. MGR is nothing but your manager number. Hire date is your date of join, salary, commission, department number, and total. Yeah, we'll just observe the things. Look at Smith, employee number 7369. Smith is a clerk and Smith manager is 7902. The MGR number of Smith is 7902. So who is 7902? 7902 is Ford. Ford is an analyst and whose manager is 7566. So who is 7566? 7566 is Jones, is a manager, and his manager number is 7839. So who is 7839? 7839 is King. He is the president and he don't have any manager. His manager number is null as he is the boss. So this detailed analysis is very important in any particular table. We'll be learning how to create the table and how to insert the data and all. I am just giving what exactly is table and how to analyze the things here. Again, I am giving employee number 7369 is Smith, is a clerk whose boss is 7902. 7902 is Ford, his job is analyst. He is an analyst, his manager is 7566 and 7566 is Jones and he is a manager and his boss is 7839. 7839 is King and is a president, he don't have any manager. That is to be observed. Next, come to commission. Commission, there are many cases where commission is null, NULL, means they don't have any commission. How many department numbers are there? We have 10, 20 and 30. That's all. Now we'll come to some queries. Query is nothing but a question. I just giving simple queries here. Select start from EMP where sal greater than 1000 semicolon. As I told you, select start from table name. Where is your condition? Where clause? And condition, in conditions we use relational operators like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. So look at the query clearly. Select start from EMP where sal greater than 1000 is empty set because we don't have employees. We don't have employees whose salary is greater than 1000. Look at the other query. Select start from EMP where commission is null. COMM is NULL, null. Is null, is not null. So we have 8 rows who don't have any commission. Right. Look at the query. Select star from EMP where commission is not null. So we have two things like is null and is not null. And look at another query. Select star from EMP where ename is equal to Smith. This is important. Smith, you have to put it within double quotations as it is a string, and Smith must be in capital letters. And look at the data in the table. If it is in capital letters, we need to use capital letters only. Regarding the select statement and all, you don't have any problem if you use capital letters or small letters. Select star from EMP where EMP number is equal to 7369. We have only one person with 7369. And select star from EMP where job is equal to manager. So we have 3 managers. You can observe 3 rows. Select star from EMP where DEPTNO is equal to 10. That is those who are working in department number 10. Give the list of employees, those who are working in department number 10. Further, the query is select star from EMP where DEPTNO is equal to 10. Select star from EMP where MGR is null. MGR is null means whose manager, MGR is your manager number. Whose MGR is null is manager number is null. So we have only one person, his name is King, he is the president and he don't have any manager. Look at this query. Select star from EMP where sal greater than 100 and is your logical operator. We have and or not logical operators in any programming environment. So A and is here, and sal greater than 100 and commission COMM is less than 200 means give the list of employees. What's the query? Give the list of employees whose salary is above 100 and whose commission is below 200. So we get the data of those employees whose salary is above 100 and means it has to satisfy both the conditions. So look at the another one, OR. R means either this or that. So give the list of employees whose salary is more than 100 or whose commission is less than 200. OR means either this or that. If anyone will get the details of employees which satisfies any one condition, that is your OR. Look at the other one. Select star from EMP where job is equal to clerk and sal greater than 100 means what's the query? Give the list of employees who are clerks with the salary more than 100. So that is your query. Look at the query. Select star from EMP always gets you all the details of any particular table. Select star from table name, semicolon. I don't want all the data. I want only particular fields, not all the fields. So I can use it individual names like this. Select EMPNO, comma. So use commas to separate and specify what are the fields you want. So I want the list of employee numbers, name and salaries only. I don't want all the details. I want only the details of employees with employee number. I can you have to write it as select EMPNO, comma, ename, comma, sal from EMP. Look at this clearly. Select EMPNO, that is employee number, ename, comma, sal plus COMM. Yeah, we can use this plus arithmetic operators even in fields as salary and commission can be added, but you just observe the output clearly. We have 13 rows, but see those who don't have any commission, like those whose commission is null cannot be added to salary. Those who don't have commission cannot be added. So null values cannot be added, and how to overcome this we'll be discussing in detail. In SQL we have an NVL operator, NVL null value. So like this we will be discussing more number of queries always, as this is your only introduction part.